Now we start Advanced Math class 10, exercise 2.1, question number 1. Identify the imaginary numbers from the following. Number A, under root minus 9. Number B, under root minus 7 into under root 5. Number C, under root minus 3 into under root minus 4. Number D, under root 2 under root 16. Number E, I to the power 12. Number F, under root 2 under root minus 1 whole power 8. Number G, under root minus 1 under root 5 whole power 3. Number is minus I to the power q minus I to the power 4. Solution A. Given under root minus 9, you can write minus 1 9. Okay, so you can write I square 3 square. Since I square equals to minus 1, so square root will be cancelled thrice I, so equals to imaginary. Okay, now number B, under root minus 7 under root 5, so you can write under root minus 1 under root 7 under root 5, so I root 35, okay, equals to imaginary. Now number C, under root minus 3 into under root minus 4, you can write under root minus 1 under root 3 under root minus 1 under root 4, okay, so you can see I root 3 I root 4, okay, so I square root over 12, so I square means minus root over 12, so equals to not an imaginary. Okay, now number D, under root 2 under root 16, so you can write under root 2 under root 4 square, so square root will be cancelled, so 4 root 2 equals to not an imaginary. Okay, now question number E. Question number E, I to the power 12, so you can write I square whole power 6, so minus 1 6, so 1 equals to not an imaginary. Okay, not an. Now number F, so under root 2 under root minus 1 whole to the power 8, okay, so you can write so 8 minus 1 to the power 8, okay, so you can write 4, okay, so you can see I to the power 8, okay, so square root will be cancelled, 2 to the power 4 into I square whole power 4, so 16 into, you can say I square minus 1 whole to the power 4, so it will be 16, so equals to not an imaginary. Okay, now question number G. So under root minus 1 under root minus 5 whole cube, okay, so you can write minus 1 whole cube into minus 1 root 5 whole cube, so I cube root 5 whole cube, so you can see base are same, so power plus, then I to the power 6 you can write, so you can write under root 5 whole cube, so 5 root 5, okay, so I square cube 5 root 5, okay, now you can see minus 1 whole cube 5 root 5. Okay, so minus 5 root 5 equals to not an imaginary. Okay, now last one, question number 8. Minus I cube minus I to the power 4. Now you can see base same, so power plus, so we can write I to the power 3 plus 4, so minus I to the power 7. So you can write minus 1 7 into I to the power 7. So minus 1 into, you can see I square cube. Okay, so into I, then minus 1 into minus 1 cube into I, so then will be 1 into I, so equals to I, so equals to imaginary. Okay, this one answer. Please subscribe my channel.